Want to take your Excel skills to the next level? In this video, I'll show you how to use the if and or functions together in Excel. Explain step by step using a real-world example that even beginners can follow. Okay, so let's dive in. Imagine you're managing a list of students, employees, or sales data, and you want Excel to make decisions automatically. That's where combining if and or becomes incredibly powerful. Here we have a list of students and their scores from 2 tests. We want to mark them as passed if either of the scores is 60 or more. If neither is 60 or more, then they failed. Let's use the if and or functions together to do this automatically. Click on cell D2 and type this formula. Here's what this formula does. Or function checks if either of the 2 scores is 60 or more. If that's true, then it returns passed. Otherwise, it returns failed. Now press enter. Alice passed. Just drag the fill handle down to apply it to the rest. Let's make the results pop. Select the entire result column, D2 to D5. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. Choose Format Only Cells that contain. In the rule, set it to format cells that contain the text passed. Click on Format. Set fill color to green and font color to white bold. Now click OK. Repeat for failed. Set fill color to red. And again white bold text. Now your results are not only accurate but also easy to scan at a glance. Want to change the passing condition later? Just update the number 60 to any value you like. Excel updates everything instantly. Remember, if plus or means smarter choices in Excel. If this video helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.